Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and in today's video I will be showing you how to log into Walgreens employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started. Walgreens is a large American pharmacy store chain that sells prescriptions and over-the-counter medications, health and wellness products, beauty items, and general merchandise. Now, in order to log in, first of all, open up any web browser on your desktop and on the search URL, type in Walgreens employee login. Then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on the multiple search results as you can see on this interface. From here, head over to the first link that says Walgreens employee login. Click on that. Now enter your work location. Click on this drop down icon and from this drop down box, choose your work location. And after you are done with that, click on continue button. And on the next page you will get the login form. First of all, enter your one ID and under that enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, click on this link provided that says forgot password and that will help you out to recover your password. And after you're done typing in your ID and your password, click on this sign on button and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your employee account. So that's how you can log into Walgreens employee account. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any other further updates from our channel. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.